to Biglunano channel! I'm up now. Hello! Hi! And today, what are we doing today? Why are you laughing? You start now!
Yeah, we've started.
Okay. Hello!
You've done that bit. You've
okay,
done that bit.
Okay. Okay, let's do it now.
No, it's
properly.
done. It's done. We're live.
Okay.
We're on.
Take two.
No, take 3. We are gonna do an unboxing video for you today.
Unboxing day today! So, this
Go
is my
closer to the
present.
camera, you
I
can
got
see.
him a present from Baguio.
What's that?
We went to Baguio City while we're in the Philippines, and that's my present for him.
And I'm supposed to unbox this.
Yes, you need to unbox. Go in the camera.
So you can see Baguio City, oh.
And I got a scissor here.
Yay!
Charan! Do we need to cut?
No.
Okay, no.
Definitely not.
Alright, let's unboxing. That is it. So this is 2 helmets together.
Of course.
How many helmets did you buy?
3.
Why 3?
Why not?
You bought me how many helmets?
You got 1, don't be greedy.
Yeah.
And I bought 2.
So we got Agv here.
Okay, so
From Italia.
fresh from.
Italia.
Oh wow. Now,
Corsa.
what does that say there?
Cashi da Corsa dal
It's
1947.
in 1947.
Agv. Show them.
They can see. So here, that's yours, I think.
This is mine. Wait, let me open this one. Unboxing. Smell nice.
Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
Smell of the box.
Why are you sniffing?
This is like Formula 1. I don't know. I always smell it when I see something. I like smelling. It smells like new. I like the smell of the paper. Ay! This is it.
I don't know if this is yours or mine, I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
Easy.
You know what I used to do with this?
Hey. She got a rather expensive helmet here. She's more interested in the bubbles.
I like the bubbles. Oh
Okay, that's your gift. I'll have this then.
no. Oh no. Sorry, I'm distracted.
Hang on.
Okay, let's
Take it out a sec. It doesn't say. Okay, so the box you get.
Wait. Yeah.
What's that? Tell everyone what's in there.
Fog resistant lens.
Okay.
This is it looks like racing
Like
Formula
Formula 1.
1. So here's my helmet.
I don't know if it's yours or mine. I don't know.
Oh,
Oh wow.
is this mine?
Let's have a look. She said the size.
It's heavy.
So this is mine.
Smell like
It's mine.
Smell like ano?
So what we have here. Oh, that's nice, huh?
It looks the same as the one you got.
It's very similar to the one I've got. So this is a full carbon. Don't know if you're making that out there on the camera. You'll see in the other videos when I open it up. This is a full carbon Agv Pista GPR helmet. I've already got the GP, so we've gone GPR matching. Unano's got one too. Let's get that one out, shall we? So put all this back in there for a minute.
I love it.
This one's your one then.
Okay, this is mine.
So, there you go. This is, you don't need to cut it. Hang on, here.
Unboxing my helmet. So,
This is going to feel quite tight on your head, I think, to start with.
Really?
Nice. Extra small. So this is size Unano for Unano.
Did you measure my head?
Yes, I did it in the Philippines. Did you remember?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Hang on. So what she's going to do now is when she puts this on, she'll moan and she'll moan and she'll say it's too tight, even though it fits perfectly. Okay?
Okay. Let's try.
Earrings out, yeah?
I have big ears, so.
Please fit.
Ow! Why? Gago!
Right, ready? Go on.
Shit, ang sakit. It's squeezing my face.
There you are.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah?
What's this? This like something in my mouthpiece.
Oh yeah, that's the drink.
Ah.
Don't drink it, but you connect the bottle. There's a bottle connector.
I have a straw.
You got a straw. Wow, you're very sexy, Lang.
I feel like I'm Hamilton.
You're not Lewis
Hello,
Hamilton.
Lewis Hamilton. We love you.
We love you, Lewis. And Sebastian. Mahal kita, Sebastian.
I love Lewis Hamilton.
Yeah. Wow, you look good.
Is this supposed to be here? I can't see anything.
You're more attractive now.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, it's limited edition. When you put that down, it's more part of the frill.
Okay.
Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Very good. Turn to the side so everyone can see.
I'm feeling claustrophobic. I can't breathe.
Turn.
My ears.
Hang on. Stop.
It's
Stop. Turn to the side so we can see the profile.
Wait, my ears is squashed.
Oh.
Okay, I'm panicking.
This way, towards me. Oh. Wow. And that's the straw that she's talking about. Apparently you connect this to camelback. Wow. So you've been spoilt, Nalang. But there's another one. I bought another one. That's even more special than these two. Let's have a look. Oh, this is beautiful. I can't tell you how beautiful this is. Are you picking that carbon fibre up? I don't know if you are,
How
but
can I remove it?
just lift it.
Oh,
It'll get
feel
used
like
to it.
my head is
It's supposed to be on.
good.
The spoiler. So I'll get my other one out in a minute. and you can-
Wait, can I see it?
Yeah. Is that cool or what?
I love it. Look,
What does it smell of?
smell brand new.
It is.
There's
The
a
cover.
nice cover here. If you want, if you're shy, you can cover your face with this.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
No.
Ta-da.
No. Hey.
Be careful.
See.
Oh, Agv.
It's-
Where are you?
Hang on. It's a DJ Khaled moment. It's
Another one.
another one.
Another one.
Dun,
DJ
dun.
Khaled. Another one.
Another
Hold
one.
up. Who said that you could never have enough helmets? So this is my own gift to myself. This is a limited edition Agv Pista GPRR.
I stutter my.
This is the latest model. Okay, so inside, look. This first thing you'll see is this, the Rhodium screen visor. I don't know if that's picking up in the light. Look here.
It's red. This is what I want. Can we swap?
No. This one doesn't fit you.
Oh no.
This isn't size
But
United.
I can change it to this one.
Eh?
I can borrow this.
No. Are you?
Would I lie to you, baby? Would
No.
I lie to you?
No, that one doesn't fit that one. In fact, actually, I don't think it does. Okay.
Wow.
Let's have a look. Let's see what we got here.
Let's see what we got here. I got here a sticky pad.
What's that?
Sticks well.
That's gonna hurt. Hey, that was nice. Okay, so where is she? Hold up.
Da-da-da-da-da. It looks
It looks the same, doesn't it?
It looks the same.
No,
What's
it doesn't.
special about it?
Okay, so this is the Holy Grail for me.
Wow.
So, new version, updated version of the one that we just showed you. It's like a grey carbon. Again, you're probably not picking that up in the light. The fin's different at the back. Okay, good luck with that.
Oh, it's lovely.
Is it cool?
Yeah, it's lovely.
It needs the visor put on it, but
And here.
the Rhodium one. I'll put that on later and I'll show you that in the video, but that's comfy. It's cool, huh?
Wow, I love it.
So this one,
That's the one that I'm gonna get you for Christmas present, but you got
Apparently.
it already.
yeah, so you don't need to. So, the reason I bought this one is I planned, before the bike got stolen, to add to the collection. I wanted to get the brand new V4R Panigale, which is rather expensive, but as it's red, I wanted to get a helmet that was carbon fibre with red detailing, and that is the reason why I bought this bad boy. So, lots of helmets, grab yours. We've got helmets. Helmets.
We have 3 for Christmas, New Year helmets.
So we got a lot. I'll do
So-
close-up videos so you can see the difference. Which is your favourite? The box.
The box. Look at the box, so it's so nice. Look, Formula 1.
So, okay. So I've got an extra small Agv Pista helmet for sale if anyone's
And-
interested, because Unano doesn't need it. She's got the
No,
box.
no.
In
I
fact-
did not say I don't need it.
In fact, I've got a good idea.
I'm gonna keep the box.
Put the helmet there, sir.
We'll put it back now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so
That's
cool.
nice.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Don't know about the safety aspect, but that could.
Unboxing me.
No. There she is.
Hi again.
We're
So-
here. Go on, do your usual. Hi again. We're here. Where are we?
At home in London.
Doing what?
Doing
Unboxing.
unboxing. And are we finished now?
We're done.
Okay, can I go to sleep now, please?
Night night.
Night! I love you, everyone. Thanks
Mahal
for
kita.
watching.
Thank you.
Please subscribe to Biglunano channel.
Tick the boxes. Press the like. Press the bell. What's the bell
for
do?
notification.
Mhm.